Previously.
Project started last year. Actually, another project started years and years ago. We're just adding more and more.
He'll be coming round, when he comes. Maniacs from Bobcat.
Oh, they're doing the previously thing.
Pool patio. That took a while to do. Looking pretty good still, huh? New planters going in there soon.
End of flashback.
So, we are back at this glorious property once again. We've done a ton of projects here at whole front driveway. Coming up, all that landscaping, these walls. There's projects on projects going on out here. Let's go check out what we got going on today. All this landscaping, these cobble edges, cobble aprons in the driveway. All of this was done years and years ago. Steps, walkways, massive underground storage, water storage, containment system right there. Nice outdoor kitchen. What's up, y'all? I know it might sound hard to believe, but believe it or not, years and years ago, your boy, when he actually did real work, was out here doing a bunch of this job when we did the first phase. One down, one to go. Down to the get down, getting close to wrapping up this project. One of many phases that we've done over here, but we had an insane amount of rain last night, like we've had all year. Absolutely crazy. This river, which usually doesn't go way back there that you can barely see from this backyard, is now taking over the backyard.
Would you look at this?
Got first patio wrapped up, redone. A little bit of debris from the rain and storms. Massive oak tree. Said they had close to 3 inches of rain over the course of the night last night. I don't know if I believe it, but everything's flooded. patio wrapped up. She's looking gorgeous. So complexes go along with other patio. Got over there, over this way, oh, that way, more that way, over there, nope, that way.
Oh, would you look at this?
Even though we got more rain last night,
Oh no!
water has receded significantly.
Oh!
You remember where water is about up to even about right there.
Holy moly!
Still a little wet down there, but you can barely even see the creek.
And I can see, barely, but.
And we were all the way up into here yesterday. Rain on rain on rain on rain on rain all year so far.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.